log into member.sss.gov.ph. Log in using your user ID and password. Click Payment Reference Number, PRN. Then click Generate PRN. Please select membership type and the applicable period and the amount of your contribution. For example, this March 2021 to March 2021. And I am a voluntary member, so as you can see, there is the payment reference number, and you can pay it through GCash or Bayad Centers. Then here's for the GCash, please click Pay Bills, and then biller categories, please select Government, and under Government you can see SSS PRN. Just look for that, click on that, and here's the menu, account type, payment reference, and amount. That's it. Thank you.